It's that time of the year again, Christmas. One of my friends is getting the gift that I get them as a surprise, sort of. My girlfriend's birthday is this week, and we went to the seafood market and get some weird ass seafood. And the birthday cake is here. And you know what? Despite all of this Rona situation that's been going on, it's been a good year. I mean, I'm internally grateful for everything I'm having right now, even though everything's closed and we have to eat the pizza outside in the cold. But regardless, it's a great time of the year, and although we're gonna spend this time of the year inside, we have to make some sort of a vlog out of it, don't you think?